After charting 128 stocks under Gotrade category, $10 under, or US stocks that are under $10, I picked 6 stocks under $6 that qualified on my trade setup. They are ADPT BKCC KGC ORAN SBSW and TEF. In this video, you will learn 3 things. 1. How these stocks fits my trade setup. 2. Brief background about the company, disclosures and brief news about that particular stocks. And lastly, my exit plan. Okay, my trade setup is RSI must be above 50. Price must be above ALMA or Arnold Lego moving averages. ALMA must cross the 20-day moving average. Prices must be above 50-day moving average. MACD line must cross the signal line. PT or Adaptive Biotechnologies Corporation. Okay, in these stocks, yes, it is red, but the RSI is above 50, though it is looking downwards. The MACD line already crossed here, and the price above EMA 50. So this is how it looks like. The result for today, it went down, but it's okay. The EMA 50, the possible risk-reward ratio is 1:2, and I put 15% cut loss rate. Okay, not based on structure, but I just made that so that I will not be a victim of a whipsaw. ADPT have a market cap of $1.08 billion. Next time, I'll be looking for its earnings per share, so that we'll learn if it is a growing stock or a growing market. Okay, this is a little bit news about Adaptive Biotechnologies or ADPT. According to ADPT came out with a quarterly loss of $0.32 per share versus the Zacks consensus estimate of a loss of $0.37. This compares to loss of $0.40 per share a year ago. These figures are adjusted for non-recurring items. This quarterly report represents an earnings surprise of 13.51%. A quarter ago, it was expected that this life sciences research company would post a loss of $0.40 per share when it actually produced a loss of $0.37. Delivering a surprise of 7.5%. Not bad, right? Brief background of ADPT. Adaptive Biotechnologies, commercial stage biotechnology company focused on harnessing the inherent biology of the adaptive immune system to transform the diagnosis and treatment of disease. We believe the adaptive immune system is nature's most finely tuned diagnostic and therapeutic for most diseases, but the inability to decode it has prevented the medical community from fully leveraging its capabilities. Our proprietary immune medicine platform reveals and translates the massive genetics of the adaptive immune system with scale, precision, and speed to develop products in life sciences, research, clinical diagnostics, and drug discovery. We have 3 commercial products and a robust clinical pipeline to diagnose, monitor, and enable the treatment of diseases such as cancer, autoimmune conditions, and infectious diseases. Okay, our next stock is BKCC or BlackRock Capital Investment. It gapped up today. Again, it is above EMA 50. The ALMA crossed 20-day moving average with a volume. RSI is above 50. In this case, it's 63.76. The MACD just crossed the signal line here and continues to go up and breaking this histogram level 0. So let's see what will happen today. Okay, market cap $281.58 million. Okay, Let's read some news. Okay, BlackRock Capital Investments Corporation Q3 2022 earnings call transcript. BlackRock Q3 2022 earnings conference call. BlackRock Capital Investment Corporation reports financial results for the quarter ended September 30, 2022, declares quarterly cash dividend of $0.10 per share. It's 8%. Formed in 2005, BlackRock Capital Investment Corporation is a business development company that provides debt and equity capital to middle market companies. The company's investment objectives is to generate both current income and capital appreciation through debt and equity investments. We invest primarily in middle market companies in the form of senior debt, securities, and loans. Alright, KGC, it is above EMA 50. There was a cross and revisited by ALMA, revisiting the 50-day moving average and 20-day moving average. Okay, and with RSI still looking good, having 59, and MACD just crosses the signal line on top of the zero level of the histogram. Kinross Gold market cap is 5.06 billion. Dividend yield is 3.71%. Not bad. According to Investor Place, KGC is one of the multi-bagger penny stocks. Okay, among penny stocks, Kinross Gold seems deeply undervalued. The stock trades at a forward price earnings ratio of 50.5 and offers a dividend yield of 3.3%. Recently, Kinross also announced $300 million in buyback in 2022. This is potential catalyst for KGC stock trending higher. Kinross is a Canadian-based senior gold mining company with mines and projects in the United States, Brazil, Russia, Mauritania, Chile, and Ghana. Our focus is on delivering value based on the core principle of operational excellence, balance sheet strength, disciplined growth, and responsible mining. So okay, guys, they give dividend 3.68%. That's high. Okay, now ORAN. The price above 50 moving average with our ALMA trying to cross this 50 moving average after crossing it several days back, crossing the 20-day moving average. Though the volume is decreasing, but we're looking at the RSI here that is at 59, and MACD is above the histogram, so I think there's a momentum of this stock to continually go up. Okay, I place here my cut loss, I take profit, and I call my setup a F1 setup because I love Formula 1. ORAN full name is Orange. Market cap 25.95 billion. According to Reuters, doubt over strategy overshadows Orange's faith in targets. Investors penalized Orange on Tuesday for lack of strategic certainty, dismissing the French telecoms operator's claim it is on track to fulfill targets and turn around its stagnating enterprise division. Shares fell by as much as 3% and were down by about 2.4% at 0951 GMT, making the stock the second worst performer in the France's Blue Chip Index CAC 40. The Orange SA provides telecommunication services to residential, professional, and large business customers. The company offers public fixed line telephone, leased lines, and data transmission, mobile telecommunications, cable televisions, internet and wireless applications, and broadcasting services, as well as telecommunication equipment sales and rentals. Alright, SBSW, it just broke out the 50-day exponential moving average with the 54 in RSI. MACD is about the 0 histogram, but very little to or very close to 0, but it just crossed the signal line. That's why I bought this. Yes, it is in the downtrend, but I was looking since it broke out the EMA 50. It looks like it's gonna go up. That's my bias. So let's see. SBSW is Sibanye Stillwater. Okay, market cap 6.89 billion. According to Kitco, Sibanye Stillwater reports adjusted EBITDA of $496 million in third quarter as gold and PGM production down year-on-year. Okay, Sibanye Stillwater reported dated production from its gold operation in South Africa was 204,672 ounces in the third quarter of 2022, down 30% compared with last year. All-in sustaining costs, including DRD gold, were $2,207 per ounce of gold, or 52% higher than the third quarter of 2021. About Sibanye Stillwater, it is a leading international precious metals mining company with a diverse portfolio of platinum group metal, which is the PGM, operations in the United States and Southern Africa, gold operations and projects in South Africa, and copper, gold, and PGM exploration properties in North and South America. More recently, Sibanye Stillwater has advanced its global diversification strategy to encompass the battery metal space by investing in the lithium hydroxide project in Finland, with the acquisition of a 30% shareholding in Calibre Oy in Feb 2021. Sibanye Stillwater now has a substantial interest in the Calibre lithium project currently in development phase in a Kostinen region of Finland. Established in 2013, the group has grown and diversified into one of the world's largest primary producers of platinum, palladium, and rhodium, and is also a top-tier gold producer, ranking third globally on a gold equivalent basis. It produces other PGMs such as iridium and ruthenium and chrome, copper, and nickel as byproducts. Wow. Alright, TEF, it broke out from the 50-day moving average, and again with our trade setup, which is ALMA crossing 20-day moving average with our RSI at 59 and MACD looking up and getting wide, which means the momentum is getting stronger. So let's see what will happen here if it continues to go up. Again, my cut loss is at 50%, which is 3.17. Too big, too wide, yes, that's my risk. But again, looking at it with a big possibility of a 13% growth, that will be my 1:2 risk reward ratio. Okay, let's talk about Telefonica. Telefonica market cap 20 billion, 0.85. Wow. Price earning ratio is 2.34. TEF, according to Zacks, Telefonica reported third quarter 2022 net income of 460 million euros, declining 34.9% year-on-year. Further, basic earnings per share of 0.07 euro compared with 0.11 in the prior quarter. Not good, huh? Quarterly total revenues increased 11.2% year-over-year to 10,343 million euro. However, organic revenues, aggregating 50% of Virgin Media O2 joint venture results, grew 3.8% year-over-year to 11,825 million. Interesting. Telefonica is a company that is aware of the new challenges posed by today's society. This is why we offer the means to facilitate communication between people, providing them with the most secure and state-of-the-art technology in order for them to live better and for them to achieve whatever they resolve. TEF has 46% less risk than the market as a whole. Isn't that a good news or what? Alright, thank you for watching. I hope you learned something from this trade. As of now, I sold, today is 3 a.m. November 9, 2022. I just sold my position and gained 5% of my portfolio, but I left ADPT and half of KGC. Okay, so profitable night? No, hindi pa. I think it's just a break even. But that's good. And see you in my next video. Hope you learned something from this actual trading. You can have all the ideas in the world, but if you do not execute, that is worthless. Alright, see you in the next video, guys.